Hi, I'm Sanjay Kumaran, Doctor of Audiology, Clinical Director of the Ear Company. Welcome back to All About Hearing. This is the time of year where a lot of my patients go on vacations to warm and exotic countries, and I don't. But I get to hear about it from them. When they're flying, some of the questions that I get asked by them are, how do I prevent the pain that I have when I'm flying, and what's causing it? So when people are flying, certainly there's pressure equalization issues that can take place. Oftentimes, it's not so much when we're taking off, but when we're coming down. We tend to come down a lot faster than we're taking off. We have issues with our ears typically when we're flying, when our ears are a little bit pluggy or congestive and aren't clearing pressure properly. You know that feeling you get when you yawn or you swallow and the ears pop, or the sense that you get when you go up when you're going up a steep hill, that plugged feeling and then the popping. Well, the same thing happens when you're flying with the pressure equalizing. So when you've got a cold, congestion, anything like that, your ears can get pluggy and then they have a problem with pressure equalization. There's a product that I've used once before. Now I don't know if it really, really works. I tried it once and I thought it was okay, but I don't know if it really made a difference. It's called earplanes. You'll see them in all kinds of airports where you put them in your ears. The advice that I give people primarily when they're flying, if they've got a cold or anything like that, is make sure that you're dry before you fly. Make sure that you've taken a decongestant antihistamine combination, something to dry you up. I personally have issues with flying as well, and I'll take that antihistamine decongestant combination maybe a couple hours before I go to the airport, depending on how long I'm waiting, so that I know that I'm clear and dry before I fly. The other thing that I do for myself personally is as soon as I start to feel that the pressure changing, as soon as I start to feel my ears plugging up, I try to plug my nose and clear my ears. So typically that's on my way down. So as I start to sense that I'm going down and feel that pressure building up, I try to get my ears to pop. And I try to do that all the way down. Some people will use gum and they'll chew gum as they're going down. With children, they might give them a candy to suck on. And all this is doing is creating that swallowing in the back of the throat that creates a back pressure into your middle ear and hopefully lets the eustachian tube open up and you get that popping or clicking. If you can get to pop and click as you're going down, it feels a lot better when you land, and hopefully you don't have that plugged feeling for hours and hours. Until next time, I'll see you in All About Hearing.
All About Hearing is brought to you by the Ear Company on Lansdowne Street. The Ear Company, your best choice for better hearing.